read a successful story and you listen complete video and your successful life and you achieving a goal. Please listen my garage has endured more hardship than any person should ever have to endure, yet he has transcended transcended his limitation and pain to become a remarkable human being. He lifted himself from poverty and abuse to success and leadership by learning how to make things happen in his favor. You can learn this too. Garage show you how to acquire the mindset and skill set that will bring you anything you want in life. He not only share his method, he also tells you are the backstory of many of the most promoted leaders and success in the world. You will learn how they, like courage, overcame significant challenge and went on to achieve greatness. Courage presents his secret of success in a simple formula that he sells pieces which stand for six key concepts: pricing, rules, analysis, invigibility, invincibility, strength, and excellence. In his reader friendly written style, Garage show how this life skills model can be your formula for a better life. This book is divided into two parts: till inspiration and life skills. In part I Garage shared his life story and the parasites model for excellence and success. In part 2, he present life stories of people to excellence in fantastic way despite little or no formal education. Will studies are undoubtedly important. What's more important is having the attitude and life skills that will he help us pick ourselves up when setback do occur and form. They rise to even greater heights. Thank you, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe